The SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule, dubbed Freedom, carrying 3 U.S. NASA astronauts and an Italian crewmate from the European Space Agency, parachuted into the sea at the conclusion of a 5-hour autonomous flight home from the International Space Station. Splashdown recovery teams were expected to take at least an hour to reach the capsule bobbing in the water, hoist it onto the deck of a retrieval vessel, and let the astronauts out for their first breath of fresh air in more than 24 weeks. The return from orbit followed a fiery re-entry plunge through Earth's atmosphere, generating frictional heat that sent temperatures outside the capsule soaring to 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,930 degrees Celsius. 2 sets of parachutes billowed open above the capsule in the final stage of descent, slowing its fall to about 15 miles per hour, or 24 kilometers per hour, before the craft hit the water off the coast of Jacksonville, Florida. During their 170 days aboard the space station, the crew orbited Earth 2,720 times, about once every 90 minutes, to log some 72 million miles, or 116 million kilometers in space, according to NASA.